Hello, dear students. Let's work on our exercises for retrieving data from multiple tables. Now, in this particular video, I have taken institute database that we created in the earlier videos, and the name of the or label of those videos were create table part 1, create table part 2, and create table part 3. I hope you have watched those videos, but then it's very easy, although, to understand that this database institute is having student table, course table, enroll, teacher, and teaches. Now, this enroll table tells which student has taken admission in which course. Every course has got unique course ID, title of the course name, and duration in hours. And every student has got student ID, unique, this is primary key, and name of the student. Every teacher is having teacher ID, unique ID given to every teacher, and name of the teacher. And very importantly, teaches table tells us which teacher teaches which course. So this is the schema of the database, and these are the tables. Instances of this database or the tables has been shown. As example, we see that these are our students having SIDs 1 to 6 and some arbitrary names, and these are the courses offered. The course numbers are from 100 to 105. You can check the duration and title. Coming to enroll table, we are seeing that student number 1 has enrolled for 2 courses. You can see the course ID is 100 and 104, and these courses indeed are there in the course table. What we say is that student number 1 has enrolled for C programming because that's course number 100, and he has or she has also enrolled for course discrete maths. Similar goes to other students in this enroll table. Teacher table, these are our teachers. Some arbitrary names I have taken for teachers, and TID is the primary key. Teachers table tells us which teacher teaches which subject. You can see that teacher number 1001 teaches 2 subjects, where 100 actually means C programming and 101 means Java programming. So this is it. This is the database given. Let's start up with our question or exercise. I think teachers table has got printed twice. Just ignore this. This teachers table has been printed twice. Okay. Let's see the question asked. Okay. Display student names. We want to display student names along with courses they have taken. Basically, the question asks to list student names and course names. Name of the course for which the student has enrolled. Okay. Now, let's not think of SQL again, just as in our previous exercises. You tell me, what do you want to list? You want to basically list student name, and student name is in student table. So this is one of the table used in our query. But then you want to know the name of the course, isn't it? The name of the course for which the student has enrolled. But then course name is not existing in this table. How would you know in which course has this student applied or enrolled is by looking in the enroll table. What you would do is you will see SID of this student. SID is 1. And you will see in the enroll table, you will search for that SID. Okay, SID found, student number 1. And then you know this student has enrolled for course 100, correct? But then you don't want course number, you want course name. So course name can be now searched in the course table, isn't it? And you will search for course ID 100, and then you say, oh yes, the course C programming has been enrolled by student number 1, isn't it? Name of that student is ABC. So the first output has to be ABC C programming. And indeed this person named as ABC has enrolled for course C programming. Come again, just check this. Student number 1, if you see, name is ABC. Student number 1 here in the enroll table has enrolled for course 100. Course 100 is actually found over here in the course table, and the course is C programming. But wait a minute. Student ID 1, this student ID I'm talking about, this student ID 1 is present 2 times in the enroll table, correct or not? So this student number 1 has enrolled even for course 104, and 104, when searched in the course table, you will see that the course name is discrete maths. So the student name ABC has enrolled for 2 courses, C programming and discrete structure. Isn't it so? So are you then understanding what will be the kind of query? First of all, how many tables are involved? Yes, student table, enroll table, because enroll table will tell us which are the courses this student number 1 has enrolled for, and course table, isn't it? Because course table will give us the name of the course corresponding to the course number or course ID. So 3 tables are involved. And do you really understand that what you have to compare? You have to compare SID of student, correct? SID of student with SID of enroll. Come on, now you are checking this, you are looking at this, and these two SIDs must be compared, and you have to compare CID of enroll, correct, with CID of course. So how many tables are getting joined in this particular exercise? 3 tables. Please try to understand, when 3 tables will get joined, really, then first row of this student table will be joined with first row of this enroll table, and together they will be joined with all rows of the course table. Please try to understand this. I am not writing that join. I am not writing that Cartesian product. It will be huge. It will not even fit on the screen. But do you understand, the first row of the join will be 1 ABC. I'm not writing column names. Okay, 1 ABC. After that, 100. Okay, this 100. And then 100 C programming, writing in short, 40. This row. But then for the same entries of these 2 tables, student and enroll, there will be 101 Java programming and 60 hours. This particular row has been taken over here, correct? That means for every row of student and enroll joined together, all the rows of the course will be joined. What will be the last row for 1 ABC? 100. It will be 105 applied maths. See this last row getting joined. And then the same row, 1 ABC, will be joined with 204. Please try to understand. Second row of the enroll table. First row of student joined with second row of enroll table, and then both together joined with all the rows. So it is really, really impossible to show this join. But now I think it is not even necessary to show the join, because in the earlier 2 videos we have seen that if we are taking data from multiple tables, then we will compare the common column over here, SID with SID and course with course, and we will get relevant information. C programming is studied by ABC. For this SID2, we will see that this 2 matches over here in the enroll table, and 104 indeed is the course name discrete maths. That means student number 2 named as DEF has enrolled for discrete maths. Okay, so what will be the query? I hope you have built the query by now. It will be select. Okay, what are you selecting? S name, because after all you want to display only name of the student, isn't it? From, now how many tables are involved? Student, comma, enroll, comma, course. Well, The order in which you write these tables is immaterial. You can write them in any order because anyway their Cartesian product is going to be found. So these three tables are involved where what was the condition? Come on, what was the condition? It is SID of the student table. So student dot SID, please excuse me, I am overwriting this, but red color is much visible, I hope so. Student dot SID must match student of enroll. So equal to enroll dot SID, and one more condition is that enroll dot CID, so enroll dot course ID must match. This should match course ID of the course table. So course dot course ID. That's it. This is going to give us the information that we need in the query. So this is what has been shown in the answer over here. We were solving the first exercise in this series on institute database. First one we have solved display student names along with the courses they have taken, and this is the answer. I hope you have understood it completely. Now when we come back in the next video, there are 4 more exercises. Example 2, 3, 4, 5. You can pause the video here itself and you can see that, because the questions are really very easy after learning these 3 videos. But then when we return in the next video, we will see all the exercises in a single video. Thank you very much.